Hello, today I will give you information about three of the most remarkable animals in wildlife: crocodiles, bears, and cheetahs. Wildlife includes living creatures that exist in nature without human intervention, and these animals have developed different characteristics in order to survive. In this presentation, we will examine the lifestyles, features, and hunting methods of these three animals. First, let's talk about crocodiles. Crocodiles belong to the reptile class and have survived for millions of years with almost no change. They usually live in rivers, lakes, and swamps. One of their most notable features is their extremely powerful jaws. Thanks to these jaws, they can easily catch their prey. In addition, crocodiles can stay underwater for a long time by holding their breath, which makes them excellent ambush predators. While hunting, they usually wait motionless in the water and suddenly attack when an animal approaches to drink water. After catching their prey, they perform a movement called the death roll to tear it apart. Now let's move on to bears. Bears are mammals and have a very strong build. Since they can eat both meat and plants, they are called omnivores. They can be found in different habitats such as forests, mountains, and cold regions. One of the most important features of bears is their highly developed sense of smell. Thanks to this, they can detect food from kilometers away. In addition, bears go into hibernation during the winter months and conserve energy during this period. Bears are very protective of their cubs and can be very dangerous when they feel threatened. There are different types of bears. For example, polar bears live in cold regions, brown bears are common in forests, and pandas feed on bamboo. Finally, let's talk about cheetahs. Cheetahs are the fastest land animals in the world and can reach speeds of 100 to 120 kilometers per hour. They can achieve these speeds thanks to their slim and lightweight body structure. They usually live in open savannas. Unlike other predators, cheetahs do not hunt by ambush but by chasing their prey. They can accelerate incredibly fast over short distances but cannot maintain this speed for long. Therefore, they must catch their prey quickly. They usually hunt during the daytime, which makes them different from many other predators. When we compare these three animals, we see that each has a different advantage. Crocodiles have the strongest jaws, bears are superior in physical strength, and cheetahs are unmatched in speed. Each of them has developed different strategies to survive in nature. In conclusion, every living creature in wildlife has its own unique abilities, and these abilities help them survive. Protecting this balance in nature is very important because every creature is a part of the ecosystem. Thank you for listening, and I can answer your questions if you have any.